Oh shit, he's done. Oh damn. This is terrible. This is bad. This is really bad. Look, you hear the car? Oh shit, there goes another one. This guy's hitting every car coming down. Oh shit. Watch out, watch out! Oh Jesus. Oh shit, here comes another one. Oh shit. Jesus. Oh my god. Oh my god, you alright? That shit sucks. This sucks, dude. Look at your car. Is this your car? Look at your car! Oh my god. Your trunk. Oh my god, here comes more. We need to stop people up on top. Up here, oh my god, this is like... This is insane. Oh my god. You can make it up the hill with cars. I know it's shit. Oh shit. I'm about to slip. Oh shit, look at this guy. Oh damn. There we go. Why did he really think... Not a good idea. Not a good idea at all. Yeah, no one left him. Oh my god. This is so bad. What the hell? Can you do it? Can you get down to the bone? Oh shit, he did it. Jesus. Oh my god. Oh shit, you see it?